settings that we have at the moment, we've set to the recipe Unilever 500. And that shows for head 1, we'll have a start speed of 500 until we reach 2000 pulses. The speed then changes, or it remains at 500, so that's a linear speed. And then again we have 500. So this speed is actually linear. It's not going to change. It'll be 500 right the way through the fill. The other side, or head 1, is starting fast and then slowing down towards the end very marginally. So if we look at that effect, we can start a fill cycle. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to put it into manual mode, because we don't want it to repeat fill after 3 seconds. We'll put this into manual mode. So this is purely for the setting of the product. So we start with this 64,000 because we know that that fills a particular bottle. We press that. So you'll have a linear speed, as in the pump motor will be continually at 500 RPM. And then stop. So for example, we wanted to make that speed a little bit faster, to say 850. We work down from the top. That's already in the system, so when we press head start, that will run faster. So we'll hear the difference. Noticeably, we'll hear the difference. So, obviously, filling faster to the same amount of pulses is going to give a different fill result. So you can't expect to just say fill faster but to the same count. So as you look at this, it will be more. So you're running the pump faster for the same amount of time. So for example, if you look at a bottle, maybe it's a foamy product. We want to start off filling quite slowly to here, and then fill quickly at the body of the bottle, and then slow down towards the neck of the bottle. So how we would set that, if you look at the arrows, you can see this ties in with these figures here. So it shows the 3 stages of filling in the total stage. So we'll start filling at, say, 400 until we get to 2000. Then we'll speed up to 850 until we get to 55,000. And then at the end of the fill, we're going to slow it right down to 200. So we'll see what effect that has. So it should give it slow, then ramp up, and then slow down. And you'll be able to see that with the liquid. Just empty that container. Change some of the figures around. Make it so it's more noticeable. So at the moment it gets to 2,000 quite quickly, and then 55,000. So if we make that, say, 30,000, it will run quite slowly for that amount of time, fast, and then slow again. So we'll start again to see the effect. So it's quite slow. And then slow down. So if you watch that on the screen, and I press that, you can see the bottle filling slowly, then fast, and then slow.